life-saving news, and we are at Nano Korea 2026. This expo showcases the latest innovations in nanotechnology. Let's go and take a look inside. Now let's check out Sonosys. Hi, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Tell us about your company.
Yes, my company is Sonosys. We are from Germany. Celebrate this year 30 years of existence. And here, first time on the Nano Korea.
Okay, nice. Let's first dive into some insights about your industry. Could you maybe share some of your knowledge about the industry? What are some current trends? What are some current challenges?
Okay, yeah. So we are mainly active in the semiconductor market. So it's a lot about wafer and photomask cleaning. And as everyone knows, the structures get always smaller. So the node sizes get down. I think the leaders in the industry are now looking at 2 nanometers. And with the small structure sizes, the particles which are in the process needs to get removed. And this removal is more or less the core what we do with our technology by not damaging the substrates, which is another important aspect. So let's say overall, I think getting to smaller node size is a challenge per se. So the big fabs are really working hard on that. And we, with our part, let's say, contribute for the cleaning part.
Okay, so you provide a solution. Can we check out that solution?
Of course, of course. So I show you a little bit on the poster here. So when it comes to structures like this high ratio aspect structure or a small foil, or I can also show you another structure. So for example, like this, if you want to see that. Then we have the topic, we have 2 topics. One topic is when you clean such a structure and you use traditional ultrasound, for example, you can have damage. We call that pattern or structural damage. With the higher frequency, the cavitation bubbles get smaller, less energy is produced, and therefore the structure preserves. That means it's a smoother, a gentler cleaning, but still very effective, because since the cavitation bubble, which is the heart of how that works, gets smaller, it can remove very small particles. So we're talking about sub-100 nanometer particles here.
Wow.
Yeah. And for this, we have several products. It's usually consisting of a generator and a transducer. So this is a larger area transducer, which is used for batch cleaning. That means when this is in the bath and you have a wafer holder, you have the substrates like this, you can clean multiple substrates at once. Meanwhile, with the nozzle systems, so this is a triple nozzle, but they are available also with 1 channel or 2 channels. You can clean a substrate that's on a spinning table, on a chuck table, and you clean only 1 substrate at once. So that's single wafer or single substrate cleaning. And so Sonosys does this for 30 years now. We consider this as a niche market somehow because it's very special to focus on high frequency ultrasonics called megasonics. And we have specialized only in this. So that's what we do all day and for 30 years already.
Wow.
And here's some other further products, and that's actually the latest generation. We call it a digital generator because it does more or less the job the analog version did, but with some new features. As you can see, here's a LCD display. It does have an internal dry run detection. That does add some more features. So yeah, that's more or less the range of products we have. And I could show you a little video how this looks like in the application if you like.
Yeah, let's check it out while I ask you some more questions, because it's highly fascinating and so specialized. So you said you guys are from Germany. What brought you to the Korean market this time?
Well, since we are a part of a larger machine usually, even though we are in Germany and Europe, actually our products are spread worldwide. That means we usually sell to a tool builder, to a tool manufacturer, and with that tool, it comes to fabs over the world. And actually, with this, we are in Korea for quite some time. Sometimes our systems end up, and we even don't know where they end up, but we know that they are in Korea. And so a while back, we decided to have someone here working for us as a distributor. And we are now here to, let's say, expand our activities. So we want to do more. We want to find more applications. So semiconductor is the main field, but also universities, research institutes, and sometimes in high-end optics, it's used as well. So at the moment, the topic is about finding out where there can be further markets and applications for us.
Okay. Maybe just for a few seconds, can you show us just a little
Yes.
snippet
Yeah.
and explain to us what we see?
Yes. What we see here is a single wafer cleaning with a nozzle. So you have that spinning wafer. Now it's with water just, and now the Megasonic is turned on, and it's going over the wafer like an antique record player, and by that cleaning the surface. And the water washes away the dissolved particles, and they are going to an external filtering system, and that way you get the surface of the wafer very clean. Yeah, that's how it looks like in an integrated version. So we make this part plus a generator, and usually it's integrated in a wet bench, what we see here.
Okay, I see. Last but not least, I would like to ask you about your future plans. What's coming up next for you guys?
Yeah, so technology-wise, I just explained that we are looking at digital controller. We try to being innovative all the time, so continuous development of products. And market-wise, it's what I just said. So we try to expand our footprint in Korea or Asia as a whole to be complete. And so, yeah, we are here on this show to explore the opportunities also with other customers, other applications, and let's see where it carries us.
Amazing. Lots of exciting plans. Thank you so much for the interview
Thank
and good
you.
luck for the future. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.